Alright, so if you're looking at 8 VLANs, so if we have an address, for example, I'll use another one here, 16.17.0/24, then we have to leave this group and divide this up. We need 8 VLANs, so we need to borrow, okay, so don't worry about this material over here. So we need to borrow, we have these beginning octets, so we need to borrow enough bits to get us 8 VLANs. So to do that, we can borrow 3 bits. And you can see here, if we write them all out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are 8 combinations. So then our first range, using these combinations, for this address would be the same as this one here, except that would be a 17. This would be our second network, our third, our fourth, and so forth. So let me add a page and write that out a little bit more. Again, we have 8 bits to work with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We borrow 3 and we get those combinations. Okay, 128, 64, 32. Okay, so using this example, that could be our first network, so our first address there would be 172.16.17.1. Our next one here, 172.16.17, and that would be our first options here. Next ones we have a 1 here, so that would be 32, and our first address would be 172.16.17.33. Our next option here would be 172.16.17, 32 more under there would be 64. So that would be like a 0, 1, 0 if we were looking at those up there. 172.16.17 be 65. Alright, and then you could write out the rest, the 8, decide which ones you're going to use for which VLANs. That's it.